VOX Capital Group consists of fast-growing companies. Our factories supply the European markets with construction materials and interior design products. VOX Furniture, leading manufacturer of furniture for children, teenagers and adults, has its own sawmill. It is the place where many great collections have been created. Mama Collection stimulates the development of children since the earliest days of their lives. Young User Collection teaches the teenagers to arrange the space around them, their own world. Adult Furniture Collection for You uses special interchangeable modules which combine the functions of a bedroom, living room and dining room. Doors and Floors VOX offers the biggest range of products of various producers, as well as products designed by us, such as an innovative 5-element door, which can be arranged according to the customer's needs. In Profile VOX, the facade and furnishing products manufacturer, the customer's taste and the convenience of an assembly crew influence the process of designing our products. All companies composing VOX Capital Group use very similar philosophies when designing their products. They concentrate on the users and their needs. The interdisciplinary approach towards designing is possible due to the schools of higher education that complete the VOX Capital Group: the University of Humanities and Journalism, University of Social Sciences and Humanities, as well as the School of Form, which is a school for designers. Humanistic profile of those schools allows gaining knowledge necessary to design products that fulfill the user's expectations.